Hi friends, if you want to enjoy the exercise, stick around till the end of the video and hit the subscribe button below. Let's get started. The positions of place indicate the location or position of something in relation to another object. The jewels were hidden blank the secret compartment. The answer is in. In indicates containment within a defined space. The phrase suggests that the jewels are located inside the secret compartment, fully enclosed by its boundaries. This preposition is used when referring to being within the limits of something, whether physical or abstract. The painting hung blank the gallery wall. The answer is on. On suggests surface, contact, or attachment. In this context, the painting is affixed to or resting upon the surface of the gallery wall. It's used to describe a position where one object is in direct contact with another, typically a surface. The eagle soared gracefully blank the mountain peaks. The answer is above. Above denotes a position higher than something else. It indicates that the eagle is positioned in the sky, soaring at an elevation higher than the peaks of the mountains below. This preposition is used to describe vertical spatial relationships, typically indicating elevation or height. The miners toiled tirelessly deep blank the earth's surface. The answer is below. Below specifies a position beneath or lower than something else. It suggests that the miners are working at a depth beneath the surface of the earth. This preposition is used to describe vertical spatial relationships. The old oak tree stands tall, blank the tranquil pond. The answer is B side. B side indicates a position next to or alongside something else. It suggests that the old oak tree is situated adjacent to the tranquil pond in close proximity. The hotel is located blank the bustling city center. The answer is near. Near signifies proximity or closeness to a particular location. It indicates that the hotel is in close vicinity to the busy city center without specifying an exact distance. This preposition is used to describe relative spatial relationships between objects or places. The cat is hiding blank the coach. The answer is behind. Behind in this context denotes a position at the back of something. It suggests that the cat is located in the space that is obscured from view by the coach. Positioned in the area behind the coach, this preposition is used to describe the relative spatial relationship between the cat and the coach, indicating that the cat is situated in a position that is not directly visible from the front or the side of the coach. She left her keys blank the front door. The answer is by. In this example, by indicates proximity to a particular location. It suggests that the keys are positioned near or next to the front door, likely within arm's reach or within the immediate vicinity of the door. This preposition is used to describe the relationship between the keys and the front door. The cat squeezed blank the two parked cars. The answer is between. In this example, between denotes a space separating two objects. It suggests that the cat moved into the space that exists between the two parked cars. This preposition is used to describe the relative position of the cat in relation to the parked cars, indicating that the cat is located in the intermediate space or interval that separates the two cars. They met blank the intersection of Fifth Avenue and Main Street. The answer is at. At denotes a specific point or location. It signifies the precise spot where an action occurs or where objects are situated. In this instance, at is used to pinpoint the exact location where the meeting took place, which is the intersection of Fifth Avenue and the Main Street. The ants found shelter blank the cracks of the sidewalk. The answer is in. In denotes containment within a defined space. It indicates that the ants sought refuge within the narrow openings in the sidewalk's surface. The pen is resting blank the edge of the table. The answer is on. On suggests surface contact or attachment. It indicates that the pen is positioned in direct contact with the upper surface of the table's edge. We arrived blank the theatre just before the show started. The answer is at. At denotes a specific point or location. It indicates a precise spot where an action occurs or where objects are situated. In this case, at specifies the location where the arrival occurred, which is the theatre. He fell asleep blank the fireplace, lulled by the crackling flames. The answer is by. By indicates proximity. It suggests that the person fell asleep near or next to the fireplace, likely within the immediate vicinity of its warmth and comforting sounds. The playground is located blank the elementary school. The answer is near. Near signifies proximity or closeness to a particular location. It indicates that the playground is situated close to the elementary school, suggesting a short distance between the two. The cat darted blank the legs of the pedestrians. The answer is between. Between denotes the space separating two entities or groups. It suggests that the cat moved through the space that exists between the legs of the pedestrians, navigating through the gap formed by their proximity. She hit the treasure chest blank the old oak tree. The answer is behind. Behind indicates a position at the back of something. It suggests that the treasure chest is concealed or positioned in the space located at the back of the old oak tree, hidden from immediate view. The moon hung luminous blank the horizon. The answer is above. Above denotes a position higher than something else. It suggests that the moon is positioned in the sky, appearing elevated relative to the horizon and other objects on the ground. The submarine descended deep blank the ocean's surface. The answer is below. Below specifies a position beneath or lower than something else. It indicates that the submarine is submerged beneath the surface of the ocean, navigating at a depth below the water's surface. He parked his car blank the red brick building. The answer is beside. Beside indicates a position next to or alongside something else. It suggests that the car is positioned adjacent to the red brick building, likely in close proximity to its side or corner. If you enjoyed the content, why not hit subscribe button below? Go ahead, subscribe and let's grow together.